Hello, welcome to Try Chinese Goodies. Today I'll be cooking black pepper chicken. This recipe is so simple and easy to cook at home. In less than 15 minutes, you will have a tasty, delicious and healthy quick meal on the table. Let's get started. Cut the chicken breast into 2 slices. Always cut the chicken breast against the grain to loosen the tissue. This is how Chinese restaurants get tender and juicy chicken breasts that are not bland. Then cut it into 1 4-inch thick slices. This way all the chicken pieces are the same thickness so that they cook evenly. Marinate the chicken breast with soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, cornstarch, and cooking wine. For the cooking wine you can use Shaoxing wine or dry sherry. Mix them well. Add the sesame oil and mix well. The oil can prevent the chicken from sticking together when frying. Let's make the sauce. Add soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, water, some black pepper. Mix them well. Cut the green bell pepper into 1-inch cubes. Cut the onion into 1-inch cubes. Separate the onions into pieces so that they can cook faster. Heat the oil over high heat. Stir-fry onion and green bell pepper first for 1 minute. They don't have to cook too long, they will cook again later with chicken. Transfer to a plate. Put the chicken in the same pan and spread it all over the pan. Make sure that the chickens do not overlap so that you can fry them well, not peel. Turn it after the bottom is golden brown. Add the chopped garlic and stir fry for 1 minute. Add the sauce and stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Add the vegetables and stir fry for 1 minute. If you find my video is helpful, please press like and leave a comment. I will be appreciated. Have a nice day.